Hello, today we would like to explain about the data types in Python. You see, I already pasted here a list of the data types and each data type example also. In the first row, you see in the first line text type string. So string is the one data type in Python, and the second is numeric types. In the numeric types list, int, float, complex. These three are under numeric types. And the sequence type, if we come to sequence type, under sequence type we can see list, tuple and range. And mapping type is dictionary. And set types, under set types, set and frozen set, these two are under set types. Boolean type is the boolean. Binary types, under binary types, bytes, byte array and memory view. Non-type is the non-type. So these are the data types are available, and these are the data types are provided in Python. So you will see one by one example. So in the ninth line, x equal to 5 and print type of x. This means here x is the variable, but here we didn't mention the data type. But to find the data type of the variable, if the variable is not mentioned the data type, so using the predefined type method, and we have to give the variable name, then we can find the data type of the variable. So like that. So here we see the example of all data types, each one line. This is the 13th line is the string example. Hello world is the string is assigning to x, means x is the string data type. Here 20 number is assigning to x, that means 20 is the int. And another one is 20.5 is the float data type, that value assigning into x. And here another is ij, alphanumeric. Ij is the value assigning to x, it is under complex data type. So like that, these are the examples. Another list, if we will come to the list will be square brackets. Within the square brackets we will put the values, that means we are adding the items in the list by comma, separating each item. So these are the list items inserting into list and assigning it to the x. Apple, banana, cherry, these are the items in the list. We will come to the tuple. Tuple is the normal open bracket and within the open bracket and close bracket, but again it is value is within the string and banana, cherry, like this. This is the one of the example for tuple data type. Here it is a range. We have to give the range like this using the range keyword, open bracket, and we will mention the maximum length, or we mention the value, how much is the range, like that. This is the range type. And here you will see the dictionary data type. In the dictionary data type is within the curly braces, and the dictionary is the key value pair, that means the name is the key, John is the value, and again age is the key, 36 is the age value. So like this is a key and value pair. We have to initialize and insert the data into dictionary as per this key and value. And we will come to the set is also one of the data type. So here the set also, it will be curly braces, and there is no key, just it is adding the data, adding the item into the set object. So all the set object items adding into the x, that is the one. And here you see frozen set also one of the data type in Python. So to do for frozen type data type, we have to use the frozen set keyword and curly braces, and we have to add the items in the frozen set. Another data type is the boolean is true or false. So now I am assigning true value to x variable, and it is a bytes. So here you will see the bytes, how we will assigning the bytes value into, that means hello is the keyword, hello is the string value, that string value converting into byte, then that value assigning into the x variable, like that. byte array. So here we can use the byte array like this, using the byte array keyword, and using this like that. And memory view also using the memory view of byte and value, like that we are using non-type. So these are the main data types in the Python. While working in the program, we have to follow these syntaxes for each data type. Thank you.